Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you have the correct backup file and tools. First, close 8-ball pool and turn off Cloud Sync so saves don't overwrite. Next, install a reliable file manager and, if required, enable USB debugging on your device. Then copy the backup, OB or app data folder from your PC or cloud to a temporary folder on the device. Once done, verify the file name and exact path match the game's storage layout, so later replacement goes smoothly. Now you perform the replacement step-by-step with care. Open your file manager, go to Android/OB and Android/data for COM, Miniclip, PPC, and move the original files to A, back folder in case you need to revert. Next, paste your backup files into the exact same directories and ensure file names match verbatim. Make sure to set file permissions to normal app values so the game can read them. Incorrect permissions often block loading. Once finished, clear the game cache so it will read the new files. Finish by launching 8-ball pool and confirming your progress and items are present. If the game fails to start or shows mismatched data, immediately force stop the app, restore the back originals if needed, and reapply correct permissions. Those two actions fix most issues. If problems persist, clear app cache, reboot the device, and then relaunch. Finally, re-enable Cloud Sync only after you've confirmed the local backup is correctly loaded, so you don't accidentally overwrite the restored state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.